Okay, welcome back everybody. Okay, very lucky today, we're getting 2 sessions in a row. Okay, so the previous one we added these little walls in here. Okay, just give the roof something to attach to. So what we're going to do in this one is we're just going to attach a basic roof and start looking at form more than anything. So the roof needs to pitch off the ground floor ceiling, so we're going to run to that point there. So double click on there. Okay, now it's a little bit untidy because we've got this extra CAD file here. So I'm just going to left click on that, right click, hide and view, and my elements, done, out the way. Okay, now I'm left with my roof. Okay, right, so we're just going to go to our architecture tab. I have done a few roofs before, so hopefully you can follow me. So architecture, roof by footprint. Okay, choose a roof style that's going to suit you. The Australian Library, we've got the generic 125. This will suit me perfectly for the start. So there we go. Now, being good sustainable design, okay, we really should have an overhang. Okay, so I'm going to choose 600 mil. So it's pretty decent overhang. I want it to be sort of, you know, quite prominent. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to into the sketch mode. We've got pick walls. Okay, and we're just going to go just basically pick all the way around. So all the way around here. I'm going to pick this one here. I'm going to pick that one there. Even the garage is going to have an overhang for the purposes of this particular project. I'm going to pick that one there. I want that to rake around here. Now here's the fun part. Okay, if I choose this one here, you can see that light blue line, and it's different to this one here. So I'm going to ignore this wall, but I am going to pick this one, and I am going to pick that one, and I am going to pick that one there. Okay, so when we did that, okay, a couple of little things happen. We've got our lines crossing over, so we need to use our trim function, our trim command. There we go, trim or TR. So I want to trim those two. Okay, because I want the roof to wrap around in that way, and I want to trim these two to wrap around there. And what the builder will have to do is extend, because he's going to be pitching off these timber frame walls anyway, is just in this point here we're going to have a little bit of extra room, but that's fine. Okay, now the last part we're going to do, okay, go back to our roof pick points, is this one here, is that because we're on the boundary we can't overhang, we have to go no further than that point there. Okay, so for argument's sake, I'm just going to choose an overhang of 0. Okay, and I'm going to pick that line there. Now it's not 100% correct because I actually need to come in a little bit for the gutters, but let's try and keep these videos short, so we'll worry about that afterwards. Last thing I want to do here is I want to change my slope, so tracking all the way to my roof properties. I'm going to change this to a 22.5 degree quarter pitch and apply, and I am going to finish. Okay, remember the problems we've had before, this looks like it's incomplete, but remember that's just a cut plane from our visual from our view range. But if I have a look in the 3D, okay, I'm going to get rid of that, EH, hide that, there we go. So that's our basic roof form. It's not complete, it's not finished, there are a few little things to correct, but that is the basics of it. If you sent that to the client, they would probably be happy in just understanding what it looks like. But until then, we will see you later.